So we know we can write that as sine x on cos x. And we call that u, and we can call that v. This is an x on the top and there's an x on the bottom, so it's a function on the top and a function on the bottom. So it's a v, u, v with the dashes and a minus. Gotta remember to divide by v squared. Right? Should I write it over here? U is sine x.
Is it just x squared?
Yeah.
I didn't
Have you memorised it as a rule, or are you saying because you see all of this in your head?
I didn't see that in the book.
Just hang in a second. You didn't. U dash is cos x, v dash is,
Negative sine x.
and you put the four things in the four places, and we've got to get it right, so make me concentrate. Sine x times by u cos x.
Cos x squared.
So cos x by cos x minus what?
Negative sine x squared.
It's actually used just sine x, but the v dash is minus sine x. And the bottom is v squared, so that's a cos squared x. So what have we got on the top? Slow down for a moment. We just got cos squared x plus sine squared x. What's that?
1.
What the students do, they think they can cancel. You cannot cancel when you're adding, you can only cancel when you're multiplying and dividing. So that's actually, and if you need to make a statement, you should write on the side. Watch out for that trap. The waste report said that a lot of students didn't write that down and they lost their mark. That was a couple of years ago, I can't remember which exam.
Yep.
Had to make that statement or you lost a mark. Even though it's really obvious that that's one, you have to make the statement. So that's 1 on cos squared x. So the derivative of 10 turns out to be 1 on square of cos.
Which is
And then,
sec
sorry?
That's x squared, isn't it?
Yeah. And then if you want to write that as sec squared of x, technically sec squared x is not in the course.
Well, so in the thing it says you can use it.
You can
And
use
so
it whenever you want. Because all the speckies are going to do that over and over. So the kids in the top course are going to do that and they're going to just call it sec squared, so yes you can. I mean for years I've taught it, New South Wales, just taught it, didn't think about it. So I'll tend to go back to this teaching it. But you don't even know what sec squared is.
I was there when we did it.
Do you know in terms of writing of triangles?
Oh, no, but I know that. I know it. And
Ready? We'll slow down and do this for a moment in case it's useful. So I had x there. Probably good, it's better if I talk theta for a moment, because the theta is what we're used to seeing there. And we go, sine theta is, and let's say let's go opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. So sine's opposite on there, hypotenuse, cos is, adjacent to hypotenuse, tan is,
opposite on adjacent.
opposite on adjacent. Now, cosec theta is 1 on sine theta. So the S becomes the C. That's the upside down of that. So sec theta is 1 on cos theta.
what use over
So when you go H and A, you imagine it in the beginning if they would have had the whole system running this way, they could have run the whole system and don't call it tan, cosec and second and cotan. So cot theta is 1 on tan theta. So instead of having opposite adjacent, it's adjacent and opposite, on it goes.